What's up, guys? Brian Peacock back once again. Gardening tips of the day: squash and zucchinis. Alright, let me get this out of the way here. This is a yellow squash. I think these are straight neck. Might be crooked neck, but this is a straight one. This is about the size of the squash I like to pick. I don't like to get them big because the seeds form too fast. Alright, Cucurbits, being squash, zucchini, pumpkins, melons, cucumbers, things like that. If the fruits grow too big and the seeds fully form to maturity, the plant will stop producing fruits and it will push all its energy into reproduction and the seeds. Alright, so you want to harvest your cucurbits plants, the squash, zucchini, melons, not melon and cucumber, melon and pumpkin so much. They're a little different, but the cucumbers, squash, and zucchini, pick them a lot, pick them regularly, and don't let them get too big, especially cucumbers and zucchinis and squash, okay? If you keep them small, and they will keep producing. I'm looking up here, cucumber plants. That's about the size cukes I like. Here's one hiding back here. This is way too big. Way too big. Alright, I didn't see it. Sometimes they will hide up in there and, you know, like these here. Here's another one. There's one more down under here. Just hiding. And there you go. So there's some big old fat cucumbers. I don't even like to let them get that big. These are straight 8s. And looks like we have some leaf miners or something going on. I don't know what that is. Still good to eat though. Alright, so just that tip for you guys. Squash, zucchinis, cucumbers. Pick them early, pick them often. They'll continue to push fruits out. Alright, make sure you prune your plants. Prune the dead leaves off the bottoms. Stake up your squash and zucchinis. Keep everything trellised up off the ground. I need to spray these guys. It's been raining a lot. Haven't been able to come out and spray. So there's your tip of the day. Have a good one, guys. Appreciate you.